Hi, and welcome back to Reflections of You, where we create things to bring joy to others. And today I'm going to do a sneak peek of this happy holiday by Echo Park. So let's get started. Don't you just love Christmas in July? I sure do, and I love vintage scrapbook paper. And that's what this looks like. It looks like vintage scrapbook paper. And if you bear with me through this, I'm going to show you the paper and then give a close-up of the paper too, so you can really see the details. I would say that I love paper. If you like the paper, let me know in the comments below. And also give it a thumbs up if you enjoy sneak peeks, and consider subscribing because I like to do sneak peeks every once in a while, especially of these new releases. And Echo Park really does a great job with their paper, and the paper's high quality. So I love this for scrapbook layouts. I also love this for doing cards, the background of cards, and you could even cut it apart for Project Life. And here is a close-up of the paper so you can really see the wonderful details. And I'm going to flip the paper over. It's a grid paper that would make a great background, and I'll show you the wide shot. Here's the wide shot of that grid paper. And again, this makes a great background for your scrapbook layouts. Next are our little cards that can be used for journaling for your scrapbooking, can be used for decorations, could also be used on the front of cards. And I think all of these are just adorable. I'm not going to do a close-up because it would take some of them away. But this one's super cute. And if you didn't want to use that, you could use the back. Now this one's my favorite so far. I love all these colors, the big bold colors and the small muted colors. So let's get a close-up. And here's a close-up of all those beautiful colors on this cardstock. Great for card backgrounds, I can see, and it's also great for scrapbooking. I just love this. It's a very retro feel. Next, we have Santa Claus. And these would make just adorable cards for children with the background of Santa Claus, or the kids opening up their present as an accent on a scrapbook page. Let me give you a wider view. And here's the wider view of that cardstock. It's just absolutely adorable. On the other side is those retro stars, but they're muted and they're on a red background. Another great background for cards or for scrapbooking. And let me give you a close. And here is a close-up of this cardstock. Next, look at that. These are adorable. They're little stamps, and this is a great shot for a close-up so you can see exactly all the little details in that paper. How adorable is that? Let's see a wide shot. And here's a wide shot view of that paper. And this is just absolutely adorable. A great background for scrapbooking, a great background for cards, you know, being able to cut these apart too for your scrapbooking page. Just absolutely wonderful, and such a vintage look. Oh, this is adorable. Now this is a wide shot. It definitely has blank, that you could make this a title page on your scrapbook. But what I see putting on this page is I make about 60 cards every year for Christmas cards to send to people, and I could showcase the card that I make and I sent to everyone that year on this page. Or if I receive special cards in the mail, I could use this to showcase those, to save those as memories over the years. So I really do love this. Next is our cut aparts that can be used in our scrapbooking. And if you didn't, and this is a great little journaling card, that's adorable. And then you have blue cardstock, and it has a very faint black like star in it. So let me give you a close-up of that. That close-up of this cardstock here. So you can see it's very subtle. Next is our snowflakes. These are adorable. These are great for backs of cards or scrapbook pages or making your winter scenes. You could cut this paper apart. Let me show you a big view. Here's the big view. Again, you could cut these apart and send Christmas cards with a saying like winter wishes or warmest wishes or even thank you cards. That's super adorable. And then on the back is this garland. Now this garland is cute. You could do pictures of decorating with your family for Christmas. Let me give you a close-up shot. So here's this one close up. I like you to be able to see the details, the dots in the background, the little bows. I think that's important. Next we have stripes. And let's just, for the sake of it, we have little like snowflakes on the back or dots. So let's get some wide views of these so you can see. Now what I love about this stripe paper is it can be used going this direction, or you can flip it and use it going the other direction. You could use it for cards or your scrapbook layout. Another thing for this paper with all the little dots, these make great backgrounds or great cards. But if you didn't want to use it as a Christmas, you could color each one of these little dots different colors with your Copic markers and create a card background like for a birthday. So that's a great way to use this. Oh wow, look at these. These ornaments are just absolutely adorable. They are so retro. So let's get a close-up shot of this one. I think it's so important to look at all the details. This makes great backgrounds to cards, great scrapbook layouts cut apart. Just, it's adorable. Even you can make a box out of this for Christmas to put something in. I just think that is just wonderful, and it's so pretty. Oh, and now we have those same retro stars, but on a green background with the dark muted green on it. That's really pretty. A great background card. Let me give you a high-level view of this. Here's a high-level view of that cardstock. I think it's really pretty. Next, we have little tags. Now, this makes good backgrounds and could make cards too. You could even use all the numbers to do one of those 25 down countdowns. So think about that. Another thing is you could use these little tags to put on Christmas presents, and you just cut them apart, punch the hole in them, and on the back, which is this background of the striped paper, you would just cover that up with some white paper to do your to and from. But that is just cute. Or you could use this striped paper either this way or that way. And I can give you a close-up of that too. Here's a close-up of that paper. You can see there's wide red with a thin green stripe. Again, another great background for cards or your scrapbooking. Look how beautiful this is. Little snowflakes. Great. Just beautiful. Can be used on lots of ways. Oh, and I'm going to flip this over for a close-up view of the lights. These are absolutely adorable. So let me give you wide view. Here's the wide view of the lights. I think this is great. You could use this as a background for showing you decorating your house with the Christmas lights. I think that is so cute. The background for cards, horizontal cards. And then here is your snowflakes. Lots of ideas for snowflakes. Then we have a tartan plaid And let's see what's on the other side. Stockings. That would be super cute for a stocking background. When you open up your stockings. Me and my husband open up stockings, and so that would be super cute with my scrapbook layouts. Why don't you tell me how you would use these stockings, or which one is yours the favorite of this paper pack so far? Let me know in the comments below. I'm going to give you a close-up. I hope you're enjoying these close-ups because I really like to see the details in paper, and I hope you do too. I love to see everything and see how well it all coordinates together. And here is the detail of the tartan. And then we have a fun surprise of snowflakes. I saw this peeking and I love it because I love the primary dark colors of the snowflakes and then the small muted colors of the snowflakes. Let's get a wide shot of this. A wide shot, just absolutely gorgeous, can be used for backgrounds of cards and scrapbook layouts. I just really love the colors in this paper pack. Do you? And then we have our 4x6 cards, great for scrapbooking, great for journaling. You could even put one of these on a horizontal card, so you'd have 4 horizontal cards right there. This is just so super cute, and love Santa in his car. And then we have the stickers. The stickers, great for scrapbooking, great to incorporate on cards, great to make a title page with. Just absolutely adorable. I love the retro feel of these stickers, this paper pack. It is just absolutely wonderful. I hope you enjoyed this video. I thank you for stopping by. I hope that it has inspired you to think of creative ways to use this paper pack, or just get a sneak peek at it to see if you really like it. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you next time.